just wrapped up doing a detail on this first gen drag Camaro. This thing is insane. I tried to like record as much as I could on the process, but it was just here for a maintenance wash because this thing is ceramic coated. So it doesn't take a whole lot of work to clean and detail a car that's ceramic coated. If you know about ceramic coatings, it's basically like a wax on top of the paint, but 10 times stronger. And yeah, you could probably tell in some of the clips that the water just rolls right off of it. It beads off. The most time-consuming thing of this whole entire job was getting all the built-up rubber off of the rear quarters here because, well, it's a drag car on slicks, and this thing slings rubber like no other. I know I had a few shots under the hood, but I'm just going to open it and show you guys in real time what this thing has. Now, I don't know the exact specifications. I know this is obviously a GM motor. I think four something, probably a, I don't know, 427, something like that. I don't know. I'm not even going to begin to guess what cubic inch this is. I just know it is big. The main focus of this whole entire engine bay, it's like, it's clean because it's a race car and it's minimalistic and you just get what you need. But dude, the valve covers are insane. That's probably my favorite thing of this car was the Benjamins on the valve cover. That is gangster. I don't care who you are. On the inside, it's actually not that crazy. I know there's no like carpet. This is not like a street car. Like you can drive it on the street, but it's not like, yeah, you know what I mean? It's fabbed in the back. Obviously there's the roll cage in here, and then it's, you know, no back seats. It's tubbed out, so you can fit a big tire back there. You got the steering wheel off of the quick release, and then just your basic gauges, and that's all you need, really. So it's quite a function build, and that's what I like about it. For like reference though, like look at the poke. Like that's crazy. I mean, I know it's like, it's not like, I mean, it's clean enough to be a show car, don't get me wrong, but the main focus of this car is to just go down the drag strip. So it's not going to like, you know, this isn't like a SEMA spec or a PRI spec, but it is a good spec. And a lot of money was spent on this thing, and it's nice. I know that this thing got repainted a couple years back. This isn't like original paint, but it's been repainted. The stripes are decals, so they're actually, I believe they are vinyl that's been cleared over, so that's kind of cool. The wheels are the run-of-the-mill, the welds. You got the classics up front. You got the deeper chrome, or the, not chrome, but the polished metal, and then the black in there as well. So I actually really like that, the combination there. It's nice. All right, and probably the most bizarre, extreme thing of this car is actually under it, the header. So look at that. That is the header going down to, I guess, it dumped somewhere back there. But look at the clearance. That's crazy. I mean, it's badass, but damn. This thing came into the shop, and I wanted to get it on video because it's kind of a unique car. I don't video a whole lot of the run-of-the-mill cars that come in here, but when we get something cool in here, I'll shoot a video. We have this new, not new, but new to us, SS that's getting parted out, so that's kind of in the way right now. We're going to move this out because we have to pull in the black SS sedan that I showed off in the tour video, and it's kind of been lingering around here. We have to pull that in because we have to pull the motor, disassemble it, fix the issue, rebuild the motor completely, put it back in, and then get that thing ready to sell. have both sedans chilling out here in the corridor, I guess. I don't know. This one, I still don't know what's going on with this. I think it needs quite a bit of engine work. I don't know specifics yet, but this one's finished. So we completely redid the motor, rebuilt it, and then slapped it back in. Everything runs great, and it is about 98% ready to sell. We have to do some cleaning on it and get it ready for photos. It has PDR, or not PDR, it's got hail dents, so it needs PDR is what I'm trying to say. So hail dents is probably, if you want to nitpick a car of this age, that is like the only issue with this car. So this should be a pretty quick sell. Okay, taking a hike to the other end of the property. Guys, we have Cobalts everywhere. This one, I don't know the story, the whole story on this one. I believe that this one needs a tune, revised or something, and then it's good to go. Obviously got to be cleaned. This thing needs a tune flash as well, and then this thing will be ready to go. Something with the PCM, something electrical. It's something like that to where it's like 80% ready, but this thing should be on the market pretty soon. All right, and that leaves us with the GS. So the Regal, I'm not gonna pretend I know the story on this. I think it has a hurt motor, but I don't know. It's been back here since Christmas. So I really don't know what's going to happen to this thing. I think, I don't know. I don't know. So your guess is probably as good as mine at this point. One thing I like about these cars are the wheels. These wheels, obviously these ones are roached. Look at this. That's crazy. But these wheels in like mint condition, or like even like clean condition, are expensive and so sought after. Like, it sucks that the wheels are in this condition, because we could obviously just sell the wheels alone and get close to what we paid for the car. But unfortunately, they look like they've been set in a microwave and forgotten about. So that's unfortunate, because God, those wheels, man, a lot of people love those wheels, including myself, and it's such a shame that they're not cleaner. A pretty small detail I think I missed in the last couple videos that kind of snuck in the background was I just recently finished up getting this slab poured again, and I know the first video of the tour of this place, this wasn't here. So somewhere in the middle of everything, this got done, and I didn't make a video on it because it was like not something I would like make a whole upload for, but this was done. So, well guys, I think that's gonna be a wrap for this upload. I know we've been kind of all over the place, but this is kind of how my videos are. I pick up and record whatever and then piece it together and make an upload. We just don't have enough going on like day to day to do like a whole day's upload and stuff like that. So this was like probably a couple days worth of footage, like with the motor build and this. So that's why you see me bouncing around. Nonetheless, I still wanted to pick up the camera and just start filming more of the shop and see where it goes. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.